Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to all computer classes. I hope you all are doing good. You have enjoyed your festival season and now get back to your studies. Let's begin today's class. We were studying internet online surfing, and this is chapter 9 of class 6. This is part 5, and today's topic is email and its features, right? Let's see what all we are going to learn in this class. So we will learn what is email account, what is an email address, creating an email account, inbox, composing or writing an email and sending it, right? So this class is going to be practical class. You will learn how to create email account, and so stay tuned till the end of the video. So first of all, what is an email? Email. E stands for electronic mail. So mail stands for document or some message, right? So when electronic media is used for sending or receiving message, this is called email, right? It is a facility on internet. There are many facilities on internet. So this is one of the facility on internet in which we send and receive message anywhere around the world in real time. So basic function is to send and receive message. It works instantly and it is very convenient. The best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to number of persons at a time. Within no time, the same message can be sent to many people. So we will see practically how we can do that. We can attach photographs, videos and important data along with our message. So when we are typing a text message in the email, along with that we can send attachment. And in that attachment we can send photographs, video, important data or any document, right? Now next is what is an email account. In order to use email facility on internet, first we have to create our personal email account, right? For example, there is a very big and beautiful school in your city and you want to access the playground of that school or the library of the school. So first you need to take admission, then only you can access the services. Likewise, we should have a personal email account in order to use this facility, right? We have to select a username and provide password, right? So this username and password will be used to get into the email account. So when you get admission in your school, so what do? You take admission form and you register yourself. You give your personal information. In the same way, we are provided with a registration form, right? And we provided particulars like our name, our date of birth, address and many more things, right? So when we provide this information, then we create a username and then we create a password and our email account is done. Now there are many websites on which we can create our email account. For example, this gmail.com, yahoo.com, rediffmail.com. These are the popular websites on which we create our email account, right? Now what is an email address? Fine. Address, electronic mail address, right? An email address consists of username and domain name. When you will see an email address, there will be two things. One is username and another is domain name. Now what is username? It is the name of a person's account by which the server identifies him on the website. Like on the web, there are millions of websites, right? And on particular website, there will be many accounts. So how you will be identified, right? For example, there are many house numbers in your colony or in your street. So in which house that particular post has to be given, it depends upon the house number also, that is unique. In the same way, this username is unique on that website. Domain, it is a unique name that identifies a website. This is domain is for website and username is for person, right? So there are many website. Which website is being used, which domain is being used for creating an email account? If you are not clear now, you will be clear now. Now, for example, this is publishing world. This is a username, right? Now this user is existing on internet, but where exactly on internet? It is existing at this domain, gmail.com, right? So this is a domain name. This is used for identifying the website, and this is the username which identifies the user on the website, right? I hope you are clear. If you're not yet clear, you will be clarified when you will see practically. Now creating an email account. Now how to create an email account? Creating an email account is very simple task. First we need to connect to internet, open the website gmail.com. Now click on the create account link. Fill in the registration form, choose the username and password, accept the agreement, and account is created. Now let's move ahead and practically see how to create Gmail account. Okay, so when you click on Google, my system is already connected to internet. Now when you write here gmail.com, you'll get to see this form, right? When we want to create an account, we need to click on create account button. For what purpose you want to create this? I will choose for my personal use, right? Okay, now here I need to provide this is a registration form, so it is asking my name and my last name. For example, I write Ankit Sharma, right? My first name, and I entered my last name. Next, so I need to provide my date of birth. For example, I choose January, I choose 12, I choose 1999, right? Gender is male, and next, so this is my right. So now it is asking for the username, right? Now I need to provide a unique username which should not match with anyone. And even if I enter some username here which is already existing on that website, so it will give me some hints, right? For example, I write Ankit Sharma. For example, I write Ankit Sharma. Next, this username Ankit Sharma is already taken. 99, so it was not taken. Ankit Sharma 12 Jan 99 was not taken. Now I need to provide a password. For example, it should be a tough one. We should not share our password with anyone. So likewise, so I will not share my password with you all, right? It is asking for stronger password. Let's see. Yeah, it's taken now. So if you have any recovery email, you can add or you can skip it for the next time, right? So I don't know, it is asking for the phone number. If you have some phone number, you can add or you can skip for now. It is good to now you see Ankit Sharma 12 Jan 99 is an email account created. You can use this email address to sign in later, right? Now my email account is created. Next, privacy and terms. Now privacy and terms, I need to agree it in order to use it. Once we click on I agree, it means I am giving my consent that I am okay with all your conditions and I want to use your system, right? So for now there is no mail in my account. This is the inbox. Whenever you will log into the computer, whenever you will log into your Gmail account, you will get to see this. So these are your tabs on which you will click. This is the inbox. When you click on the inbox, you will get to see all your emails here, right? For example, this general mail has Ankit, first set up your Google account. Sorry, Ankit, finish setting up your new Google account, right? This email is given by the Google. Hi Ankit, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, application and service. Here are few tips you can get started. So here Google will give you some information you can explore, you can learn here, right? So this is your email account. Now let's move back to our presentation. So now inbox. This is the inbox. It displays the information about all the received email. All the received email. Whenever you will receive emails, all the emails you will get to see in your inbox, right? And each message header will display. When you see a message, what all will be displayed, right? A sender name, subject line, time and date, and sometimes the size of the message too, right? Let me show you. This is your inbox, right? When we click on inbox, we'll get to see this. This is your email account, right? So who has sent you the message, username, right? What is the header of the line, right? Time of the message, right? And sometime it shows the length of the message, right? So this all is shown when you see the inbox. I'll show you some other inbox so that you can learn more. So this is an email account. Here we have inbox, and in this inbox all these mails are being displayed, right? So I'm very spiritual, so you will get to see all spiritual kind of stuff here. Now you see, this is a person who has sent me the mail, right? This is the header of the message, and it is showing that it has some attached documents with it, right? And the date and time is being displayed here on the extreme right side. Fine, this is another account, right? Now get back to your presentation. Now writing or composing mail. Click on the compose mail button. Just 5 minutes. Click on the compose mail button. It will open a new window with the following components. You will get to see these 6 components when you will click on the compose mail button, right? Let me show you first that, and then you can learn about it in detail. Now where is compose mail button? So here on the extreme right, on extreme left top side, you will see this compose mail button. We will click here and we will get to see all these things. Like we have this to message. This is the text content. Here we see BB and CC also. If we want to send multiple copies to many people, so we will use these 2 options. There is a difference between these 2 options that I'll clear you shortly. So there is a send button, right? Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and attachment ke liye 6, right? So we have all these main 5, 6 component that we use when we write an email and send it. So this composing means writing an email. You want to write an email, so you will click on the compose button, right? So for example, let's say I want to send mail to myself. So Ankit Sharma, 12 Jan 99 Is something wrong? I forgot. Ankit Sharma 12 Jan 99. Ankit Sharma 12 Jan 99 at the rate gmail.com. Right? So it will pick up the username. 2. This is the address to whom we want to send the. I gave the name Ankit Sharma, so it is picking up the name, and address is hidden behind. Now, what is the subject? What is the subject? Okay, let's please send your documents. For example, send your birth certificate. Send your birth certificate documents, right? Hi Ankit. Hope you are doing fine. I need to attach your birth certificate for some important task. Right? So I have just written a simple mail and we are sending to this. But now I will click on send button. Now where it will go? It will go to Ankit Sharma, and means I am sending a mail to myself. Likewise, I can say I can send email to somebody else. For that I need to add address here. Now I'll send an email. Now see, instantly who I sent? Me. I have sent email to myself. This is the header of the message, and the sum of the text content of the message is displayed here. Now time 8:14 p.m. right? So this is how we send the mail. Now where you will receive the message, you will receive the message in the inbox. It is displaying 1, means 100 messages here, right? So the moment you will click here, you can get to see the message, right? Now I want to tell you some other details. Now what is 2? 2 is the box where we enter the address of the person to whom we want to send. Now what is C? C stands for carbon copy. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Then subject, then message, and then send button. Now let's move ahead and see in the detail. 2. An email address of the person to whom we want to send the email, right? C stands for carbon copy, means specify the address of the person to whom we want to send a copy of the mail. We want, for example, there are 2 students in the class, and those who have not submitted the birth certificate yet. So we will send an email to their parents, right? And in that in the CC I will add 2 names, right? One Ankit's email and some other persons. For example, Sumit is there, so I will CC. In the CC I will send the same copy. The address in this field will be visible to all recipient, means Ankit's parents will see that this message is sent to Sumit also. So whosoever will receive the message, each others they can see who all have received the message. Blind carbon copy is also used to send the copy of the email to the several person, but here there is a difference. What is the difference? I have missed the. But here is a difference. Blind carbon copy, the BCC people will not see who all are receiving the mail. Now next is subject. The brief description of the mail gives an idea about the message. Like we see what is the content of the mail, right? It's like header. Message. the mail, letter, or document, or video, or picture, anything. That is called message. Send button. When we click on the send button, we will send the mail. Right? Now, I hope you are clear with this. I will take your one more practical class tomorrow, in which I will explain more practical usage of the email account. Right? I hope you all are clear with this topic, and just try it out. It is very simple. Right? So um, keep learning, keep practicing, and goodbye. Take care. God bless you. See you soon.